Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best EZARC Oscillating Saw Blade for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best EZARC Oscillating Saw Blade for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. When it comes to versatility, durability, and precision, the EZARC Oscillating Saw Blade stands out as one of the best options for both professionals and DIYers. Whether you're cutting wood, metal, plastic, or tackling demolition tasks, EZARC blades are engineered to deliver top-notch performance with every stroke. If you're in the market for oscillating multi-tool blades, here's why EZARC should be at the top of your list. Superior build quality. EZARC Oscillating Saw Blades are made from high-quality bimetal and carbide materials, ensuring a longer lifespan and resistance to wear, even in tough working conditions. The bimetal construction is especially effective for cutting through nails, screws, and other embedded metal and wood, while the carbide-tipped blades handle dense materials like cement board, fiberglass, or stainless steel with ease. Universal compatibility. One of the most appealing features of EZARC blades is their universal fit design, which makes them compatible with nearly all major oscillating multi-tools. Whether you're using tools from DeWalt, Milwaukee, Bosch, Dremel, or Makita, these blades are designed to attach easily without additional adapters. This makes EZARC a convenient and cost-effective choice, especially if you have a variety of tools in your workshop. Exceptional cutting performance. EZARC blades are engineered for precision and speed. With ultra-sharp teeth and laser cut technology, the blades ensure clean, accurate cuts every time. The precision Japanese tooth design on their wood-cutting blades allows for fast, splinter-free cuts, while their metal cutting options handle tough materials with minimal resistance and vibration. In particular, the EZARC 15 PC Oscillating Saw Blade Set is a favorite among users. It includes a mix of wood, metal, and multi-material blades, giving you the flexibility to switch between tasks without changing tools. Each blade is clearly labeled for its best use, taking the guesswork out of your project. Value for money. Considering the high performance and long-lasting durability, EZARC blades offer great value. Compared to premium brands, they provide comparable, if not superior, results at a more budget-friendly price point. Whether you're replacing worn-out blades or building a new toolkit, investing in EZARC means fewer replacements and more consistent performance over time. User feedback. The EZARC brand continues to earn positive reviews for its combination of performance, reliability, and affordability. Contractors and DIYers alike praise the blades for their ability to hold an edge, resist heat, and stay sharp through demanding jobs. If you're searching for a dependable and cost-effective solution for your oscillating multi-tool, the EZARC Oscillating Saw Blade is an excellent choice. It brings together quality, compatibility, and variety, making it suitable for everything from home repairs to professional remodeling. Durable, versatile, and precise, EZARC blades help you get the job done right the first time. Thanks for watching the video.